Oh, Waffle, leaping around like a frog. I just want to say one thing. You're such a clever dog. So many nights we're awake when you're woofing, but we still love you, everybody.
Waffle Doggy! Waffle Doggy! Waffle Doggy! You're such a clever dog. You're such a clever dog, you are.
This morning, for a change...
Come on, wake up, Waffle, quick. Dog.
It was us waking Waffle up.
Time to wake up.
Wake up, Waffle!
Morning.
Waffle, do you know why we've woken you up extra early today?
No. Why?
Today, Waffle, is Mr. Nolan Day!
Yes!
Mr. No-No.
Oh, it's Mr. Nolan.
Oh.
Yes, today, Waffle. Today, I'm going to go to school and ask the head teacher, Mr. Nolan, if you can come on a class visit. So you better get ready to go.
Waffle excited. Class visit. School.
You do think asking Mr. Nolan if Waffle can come on a class visit is a good idea, right?
Yes, of course. I don't think it will do any harm.
School.
Look at him!
Look at him.
He's so happy.
School.
In fact, Waffle, you're going to have to be on your best behaviour today.
Doug's right, Waffle. Do you think you can impress Mr. Nolan? Do you think you can do that?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Well, then it's time for a garden wee, some breakfast, and then off to school we will go. Such a good doggy.
He's so ready for school. Right, Evie, can you get Waffle in for his breakfast, please?
Okay. Uh-oh. What is
Such
it?
a clever dog. Such a clever dog. Oh, Evie.
Waffle's been rolling around in the mud.
Oh, no, Waffle! Waffle, come in. Oh, look at you.
Sorry.
I'll grab the doggy shampoo.
This is not the time for muddy play, Waffle. What is Mr. Nolan going to
Bring the
think?
ponchos, Evie.
Got them.
Would you pick him up, please, Simon?
Oh, okay.
Let's do this.
You put some water in.
Yes. Sorry.
Right, doggy shampoo coming in.
Nice and bubbly and
well done.
frothy.
Look at that.
There you go.
Sweet.
Boy, Waffle.
Oh, bubbles.
That's it. Make sure all the soap is off.
Okay, Mum.
Right, how's that then?
Yeah, looks good to me.
Awesome.
Right, here we go. There we go. Now, right. Oh, no! Get a towel. Don't put a towel on.
Okay. There we go. The perfect poodle pupil.
Wait, just one more thing. A Summersby School doggy harness.
In the school colours.
Waffle, are you ready to walk to school in this?
Oh, yes, please.
Such a
School
polite
colours.
doggy. Mr. Nolan won't be able to say no when he sees how smart you look, Waffle.
Yeah. And that you can talk. And
Yeah.
use good manners.
And read.
Yeah, and when he sees how much money you've made for the school gardening project from your no talking day, you're in, Waffle.
Oh, just a minute. Morning, Mrs Hobbs.
Morning, Jess.
I'm just wondering, would you mind please stopping hosing as we get Waffle out of the house?
Yes. Without a doubt, that disobedient hound won't be able to resist jumping in the water spray.
No, he really won't. Thank you, Mrs Hobbs.
We don't want to get Waffle messy today, Mrs Hobbs.
No, he's got to be nice and smart for school.
For school?
Yes, we're taking Waffle to meet the head teacher.
I'm going to ask if he can have a class visit.
A dog at school? What a funny family.
You too, Waffle.
Here's the sponsorship money.
Okay, here we go.
Good luck, Waffle.
Hello, Brooklyn Bells. You're early.
Hi, Mr Metcalf.
Brought Waffle, I see.
Yes, we're going to ask Mr Nolan if Waffle can have a class visit.
Oh, really? Well, best of luck with that.
Well, we have a plan.
And remember the plan, team, OK? I'm going to go and speak to Mr. Nolan on my own.
No.
Yes, yes.
It's Mr Nolan, Waffle.
I'll tell him that we've brought Waffle in to meet him again. And I'll ask if our good dog Waffle could visit Evie's class today?
Absolutely.
Oh, this will be the signal to let you know that it's safe to bring Waffle in. The squeaky bone signal. Right, here I go.
Go on,
Good
Dad.
luck,
Go on,
Simon.
Dad.
Go on.
Come on.
Good morning, Brooklyn Bells.
Morning, Miss Barrington.
Hello, Waffle.
Hello, Miss Berrybum.
Mr. Brooklyn Bell is going to see Mr. Nolan about Waffle visiting your class today, Miss Berrington.
Wonderful. As far as I'm concerned, you can visit my reception class every day, Waffle. I would love to have you in school.
Oh, thank you.
There it is. It's the squeaky bone signal. Time to go. Come on. Good luck, Waffle. Impress Mr. Nolan, Waffle.
Mr. Nolan has agreed to see Waffle. So I need you on your best doggy behaviour. Best behaviour, everybody, OK? Oh.
Good morning, Brooklyn Bells.
Hi, Mr.
And
Nolan.
a special good morning woof woof to you.
Hello. Hi.
What's happening?
Follow me. So, Brooklyn Bells, I understand you would like Waffle to attend a reception class lesson today.
Yes, please, Mr. Mr. Nolan. Waffle is really a good dog.
He can talk. And read.
He really wants to just learn more, doesn't he?
Yes, well, that's all very impressive. Well done, Waffle.
Oh, thanks, Mr. No-No.
Waffle.
Oh,
It's Mr. Nolan. Sorry, Mr. Nolan. Waffle's very nervous.
But the thing is, Brooklyn Bells, with all due respect, Waffle is a dog. And although I know he can talk and you say he can read, I expect he still likes a squeaky bone toy.
Yes, he does. I've got one here, look.
Yes, and I imagine he likes to get muddy in the garden.
He does, just this morning when he went outside and he came back.
And he wears a lead and goes to the toilet outside. I think it's commonly referred to as a garden wee.
Garden wee.
Yes. So no matter how wonderful Waffle is at talking and reading and so on, you're still a dog, Waffle, and always will be.
oh.
Nope. So, while I appreciate your unusual request, Brooklyn Bells, and have given it some thought, this has to be my final word. Dogs can't attend school.
Oh, no, Mr. Nolan. I just thought you could prove...
Dogs are dogs, not children. Dogs are just smelly, four-legged, woofing slobber monsters. Love them though we do.
Mr. Nolan.
Dad, Simon!
Help! Let me go!
While we were all on the floor, Waffle wasn't taking Mr. No-No's no for an answer.
Poor Waffle.
Where is Waffle?
What a start to a school day. Well, this is precisely why dogs cannot come to school. Mr. Metcalf, Mr. Metcalf.
Hello?
There is a dog loose in the school.
Oh, no.
Waffle the dog.
Oh, Mr. Nolan, you have to watch this. Go on, Waffle.
Cat.
I don't believe this. No, no, no.
Sat.
I don't believe this.
Mat.
See, Mr. Nolan, Waffle was made for school.
I'm sorry, Mr. Brooklyn Bell, but I can't agree. And just so there's no misunderstanding, Waffle the dog cannot and will not come into the school any longer. On the matter of dogs attending school... On the matter of dogs attending school, it's a no-no from me. I'm sorry.
Horse.
Understood, Mr. Nolan.
Yes, good, very good, yes. Well, come on, let's get this
That's it, that
dog
way.
of yours home now. Come on.
Well done, Jess. Well done. If you change your mind, Mr. Nolan.
I won't. Oh, no school.
Never mind, Waffle, you will come to school. Look at all your supporters.
No school.
Yeah, we'll turn that no into a yes. Somehow.
Better take Waffle home. Try and enjoy the school day, everyone.
Bye, love.
Bye, Waffle.
Bye, Waffle. Come on, you two.
Mr. No-No was right about one thing. Waffle is a dog, a wonder dog, who likes squeaky bones. And that's just the wonderful way we like him.
Everybody!
Waffle